Hi, welcome to Lego toy review about a giant sandman. Well, I think he's Sandman. Yeah, it's Sandman. So we got Sandman from Spider-Man No Way Home set. Quite scary looking. Not that scary. So this is Sandman. We got him growing from the base here. I'm going to turn that around. Base there. And he also knocking something over. We've got the portal here where the lizard man comes, and we've got this web once Spider-Man comes in to fight. Yeah. Also, you can make the Sandman grab things like, do I have a character? Yeah. So, for example, if we grab this character, so you got Sandman grabbing Spider-Man like this, and like that. Oh no. So yeah. So he's got the Spider-Man. It's just quite awesome. I quite enjoy it. The building of this was yeah, it was fun, but the arms bit was so challenging, it was amazing. Yeah, it's quite fun. So we're going to move on to the characters. I'm just gonna move this Sandman. So the characters. Sorry. Okay. I was trying to get my feet to stand up there. So we got Spider-Man. Pretty cool detail. I don't know which. I mean, is this the Tom Holland one or is it the? Because there was like 3 different Spider-Mans in the No Way Home. I think that might be the Tom Holland one, to be fair. Yeah, I like the detail of that. Oh, yeah. Then we got Electro. Here's Electro. This one's different because the one for the final battle is if I show you right. Same character. Sorry, just let me come back. What? Oh, it's the same character, but with different style, which I quite enjoy actually. Oh, so yeah, that's another Electro scene. Oh no. So we've got Electro. I like the detail though. And we also got Lizard Man. He's here. I was going to take Thor's hammer off the Lizard Man for a moment. And here's Lizard Man. When I first found out there's a Lizard Man in this set, that's quite amazing. I like the detail of it. I was watching the other time I was watching the movie of Spider-Man, and it was with the Lizard Man in it. It was so funny. My favourite scene in that movie, I think, was an Amazing Spider-Man. And Stanley was wearing the headphones, and the Lizard Man and Spider-Man were in the library, and the Lizard Man kept throwing Spider-Man in the library, and all the books fell on him, and then it was less mayhem. It was so funny. So yeah, so we got that Lizard Man, and I'm gonna say. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna say bye for now. So bye.